Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. I would like to thank you for being with us today again, and please don't forget to subscribe. I want you to watch the video from the start to the end because you're going to benefit. The first video we made how to change time zone in Kali Linux but using a command prompt, or what we would say terminal in our Kali Linux. Today we're gonna do it without using that. So now we're gonna use a graphical user interface. We don't need to use the terminal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to settings here, and it depends on the country where you are, and we go to details. Remember, this Kali is the latest version of Kali. Then you're gonna go to time. Okay, so here, this is where the magic comes in. It says automatic date and time. If you click that, it's fine. If you want to automatic, if you click that, then it's fine. It would pick up your country where you are and everything. But now here, say time and whatever. But now you can see how here you can see here this time zone. That's when you're gonna click. So you can search a city you wanna be in or where you are. I would say, for argument's sake, I'm in German. Doesn't give me that. I would say which city in German I want. Is it Frankfurt? Written like that or written like this? No. Let me go to it. I'm failing to get a spelling of Frankfurt. I'm not German anyway. I'm gonna sum in Tokyo, Japan. So if I come and see, click here. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, now I changed. But anyway, you can even change like this using your cursor or mouse and click. Now if I want to be here, then you can see I'm gonna be here. If I want to be here, I'll say I'm Armenia. I can say I'm in Moscow. Okay, if I say I'm in Moscow, then it's fine, but I still can go and click here and say I'm in Creston, Canada, and I come here and be in Bahia, Mexico. Okay, let's stay in Mexico, and we close here, and you can see in Mexico it's still a Thursday, but where I am, it's already Friday in the morning. So you can see your time zone change. You can close that, and you can see your time change and time zone, everything's fine. So, but also you can go back if you want to. You can go to settings. Remember, you must be using, I'm not saying like always, the first video I made, some people managed to get it, some did not make it, maybe because they are using a new Kali Linux. But this is the first video I was using an old Kali Linux, but this one is a new Kali Linux. So whereby here it's a little bit easier. You don't have to use a command or a terminal to change your time zone. So just click here on time zone, and this time we're gonna be in Asia somewhere. Oh, let's be in India. This is India. No, let me see, China. Yeah, Shanghai, China. So in Shanghai, it's during the day. You see, in Mexico it was night. So now we're gonna stay in Shanghai. After clicking there, you close here, you close. Now we're in Shanghai, China. So that's simply cool, guys, and that's all. But also, if you want to, you can say choose automatic what it can choose for you, and also you can say it's gonna choose for you. That's what, if you want to. But if you don't want to do that, you just want to select where you want to be, that's when you go back and click here and mouse roll over wherever you want to. But still you can look for your city. I'm gonna say New York City. New York. You can see I want to put New York, United States. I put it, so you can see New York's already one. You understand? So after that, you close that. You close that. You don't need anything else. That's all, guys. Oh, guys, this I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. If you did not understand or something, you struggle with something, please give us drop some comment in the comment box below, because even this video I made it because of the first one. Some things worked well, some did not work well, and that's why I'm doing a new video in a new Kali Linux. Thanks for watching, guys.